Let's take a look at how I assembled Baker's Country Store by Railroad Kits. I purchased this at the Timonium Train Show last October at the Craftsman Courtyard, along with about 3 other Craftsman's kits. I have some footage on here from when I was talking to myself while building it, and from 2 Wednesday night live streams on the 19th and the 26th. So let's see how we did this. But first, here's a few photos of the finished structure, which I have to show you ahead of time before I show you how I got to this point. So enjoy. Ba-ba-da-ba. Okie dokie, here we go. Let's start off with the doors on this side. Put them up there. As you can see on here, the window doesn't quite fit. So I'm having to shave down each one of these windows opening on the vertical because they're cut just a little bit short. So what I'm doing is I'm taking my X-Acto blade, because these are too narrow to get my file in there, and I just shave it with the X-Acto blade on the top and the bottom, so the windows will fit in there. And I didn't put any acetate on the window since there's so many and they're so small. This is the matte finish Scotch tape, so it gives it that look right there. Well, this gives you an idea how much I had to shave off. This is just one window. That's this window right here. The width was a little bit oversized, but it gave me enough room to fill that up with glue. Some of the Tichy windows are made to open, but these window panes are bigger than the outside, so they have to fit inside. If you eyeball these square windows, they appear to be square, but they're actually not. One dimension is slightly larger, and you could tell by the side that has the sprues on it. I left a little bit of the nub on the sprues, from the sprue to hold it in place, but that's the vertical there. If you try to put it the other way, it won't fit. So they are not square. Just glued these pieces together, the 4 pieces here, and I'm waiting for that to dry up a little bit before I put the front on, and then I'll be able to put the floor in. I'll have to paint that before I put that in. I painted these 2 with a gray primer. The one on the right is the floor for the overhang, so it's going to be going underneath there. The one on the left is the concrete pad, and I oversprayed it with a little bit of white. Now this is basically what it's going to look like with the roof. Don't have the roof on yet, but just have it staged here. I might have to shave down these pillars just a little bit because it looks like it's bringing that base up a little bit here. But
long old train back.
oh yeah, that works a lot better. Yeah. Yeah, you can see that better, like that. Alright, there we go. Train, 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 won't you carry me home? Whoa, whoa. Alright. Yeah, that's gooder. Yeah, there we go. Uh-oh, I just knocked my chimney off. Oh, crap. Wasn't glued good enough. Oh well, we're going to have to glue that back in there again. Okay, but there's the white dry brushed on the roof. That worked out good. Okay, so this is what you see as you walk into the train room. I have it staged up here on the second level along with some of the other kits that I had just finished. And down below is the first level, and right underneath that is the workbench, which has the kit that I'm working on right now. That was a fun kit to build. I'm working on a new one right now that you just saw. It's Blair Line Farmers Fertilizer Supply. I have it all painted up already. I'm getting ready to put the signage on it before I assemble it. So that'll be coming up pretty soon. And don't forget to watch my Wednesday night live streams where you can see me working over there on the workbench. So here's some more shots of my last build. And so until the next time, we'll see you, and have fun with those structure kits.